Starting with number 32, it says find the lateral area and surface area. So,
We already did, this is what we're doing.
this is what we're doing right now. Yep, want to wait for you to catch up with me? Okay, Spencer, can you put the phone away? Thank you. What shape is this in number 32?
That's a trapezoid.
Nope.
What?
Number 32, what is that? It's a prism,
Oh,
right?
shit.
It's a triangular prism. So, lateral area of a prism, perimeter times height. Okay? Write this down. Lateral area equals perimeter times height. Okay?
I did it. Did I do it right? Because I did
You did it differently. Let's see at the end when we get our answer if we got the same thing. Okay? So when I say perimeter of the when I say perimeter, I mean perimeter of the base. What shape is the base in this figure? The triangle is the base. Okay? In a prism, the bases are always the two shapes that match each other. So I've got a triangle here and a triangle here. So this triangle here is the base. Okay? You don't know that you did that wrong. You just did it differently. Okay. 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 So what numbers would I add together to get the perimeter of that base? Polina, what do you think? What would I add together to get perimeter of that base? Just 3 and 4? Triangle has 3 sides, right? So 3 and 4 are here. What's the length of this side? 5, because it matches over here, right? So 5 and 5. So 3 plus 4 plus 5, that's my distance around that triangle. If that highlighted triangle is my base, what number would we call the height? If you were to picture this like turned sideways so that the base was on the bottom, which number would be the height? Ian? The 9 would be the height. Yep. This is your height here. Okay? So perimeter of the base times the height is 9. That would be, you could type this in a calculator all at one time. Actually, that's probably the more efficient way to go. Make sure you put that perimeter in parentheses, though. Okay? So I would do 3 plus 4 plus 5 times 9. Okay? That's a total of 108. So my lateral area, the area of all of those rectangles put together, is 108. Did you follow that okay? Okay. Now I need to do surface area. What do I do for surface area? What's the next step I need to make this into surface area? Ian?
2 plus 2 times base.
Okay, so if I look at my surface area formula sheet, it says my surface area is perimeter times height plus 2 times b, which is area of the base. Okay? That's awfully glary today. But this perimeter times height, you just did that. Okay? Perimeter times height is right there. So my surface area is 108 plus 2 times b. And I always kind of go off to the side and calculate b separately. How do I get the area of this base? What shape is the base? Marlon, what shape is the base? What shape? Like rectangle, triangle, circle. The triangle is the base, right? So I need area of a triangle. Area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. Okay? So area of my base is 1/2 times, what are the base and the height of the triangle?
3 is base
Okay. And you knew that why, Jacob?
Because if you look, the 90-degree is base right there,
Uh-huh.
you know?
Yep.
So the 3 would be the base, and then the height. Basically flip it so it's right side up.
Perfect.
B, you know, and then you'll be able to figure out the height is forward.
Yep. Really, anytime you've got a right angle, as soon as you see the right angle, those two are going to be your base and your height. So 1/2 times 3 times 4 is 6. That means the area of this triangle is 6. Okay? And then I need to add 2 of those onto the 108. Okay? So surface area equals 108 plus 2 times 6, which is 12, so that's going to be 120 square kilometers. So my lateral area is 108. My surface area is 120. Let's pick one more from the packet that you want to do together. One more that looks hard on this page. 36? Okay. So 36, we've got what shape? It's a pyramid. Okay. Okay. It is a pyramid. That's what I want you to work on. If it's a 3-dimensional figure, it is not a triangle or a square or a rectangle. Those are flat things. Okay, 3-dimensional figures are pyramids, prisms, cones, cylinders, and spheres. Okay, this is a pyramid. It is a square pyramid because the base is a square, but that doesn't matter for your formula sheet. All you need to know is that it's a pyramid. Okay, so lateral area of a pyramid. What's the formula off the sheet? Spencer, how do you do lateral area of a pyramid? Okay, what's the P stand for? Perimeter times the slant height. Okay, Darian, stop. So lateral area is 1/2 times, what am I adding together for my perimeter? Ian?
4.
Okay, 4 fours, right? Because my perimeter of my base is down here. Okay, outline the outside of the base. 4, 4, and then because this is a square, those would both be 4s as well. So my perimeter is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. What's my L? 6.3, yep. You could. So in my calculator, I would type in, for 1/2, I would do a 0.5 times 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 times 6.3. And I get 50.4. Okay. There's lateral area. Somebody tell me what to do now to get surface area from here. Luke.
Do the inside the surface area.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's do that. You have to do 1/2 or 1/2 times perimeter times guideline plus base.
Okay. And this, the 1/2 times P times L. So Luke just took that right off the formula sheet, right?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
This piece, the 1/2 times P times L, isn't that what we just did? Right? So I'm just going to plug that 50.4 in for that whole chunk. All right, because I already did that piece. Don't do all that work twice. So 50.4 plus B. Somebody tell me now how to find B. What does that B represent? What about the base? Area of the base. Okay. What shape is the base? Darian, go ahead. It's a square. How do I find area of a square? Alex, what do you think? How do you find area of a square? Same as area of a rectangle. Okay, so that would be what and what for this square? Look at the square. Which two side lengths do you see on the square? 4 and 4, yep. So area of my base is 4 times 4.
Why not do 4 squared?
That is 4 squared, yep.
Oh, it is.
4 times 4 is 4 squared.
Okay, great.
Okay. Am I adding one B or two B's?
One.
One. This is a pyramid. It only has one base. So for my surface area, I would say 50.4 plus 16. And I believe I get 66.4. Okay. You ready to try a few of these? Okay. This page that we're on right now is all surface area and lateral area. So you're using the lateral and surface area section here. The next page, which you have to get through, you should be getting up through 45 today. The whole next page is talking about volume, and that's where you're using the bottom section on your formula sheet. Okay? Give these a try for tomorrow. Tomorrow we've got one more section of our review to complete, and then on Monday we're going to kind of go back to the areas that you guys struggled with the most. Okay? All right, go ahead and get to work.